Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs. Today I'm going to be going over some general information about our 1996 to 2005 GSXR 600 and 750 Swingarm extensions. So starting out, we got two finish options. We got the raw aluminum and black powder coated with the option you can, on either one, you can get it engraved with the GSXR logo. As far as the brake setup, on the 96 to 03 models, we'll just get this longer brake bar, similar to our Hendersonville extensions. And for our 04 and 05 models, we'll get this brake plate, similar to our Gen 2 U.S.A extensions. This just simply bolts on right here, and your caliper slide right in there. Keep that from rocking back and forth. Slider is gonna look like this. It'll just go right in here. This is how you set your adjustment, how far back or forward you want it. These extensions are made from 6061 T6 aluminum, lifetime warranty, all American made. If you're opting for the full kit, we got two choices of chain. This is your basic standard chain if you're just riding on the street. This is our upgraded EK chain. It's a couple thousand pounds more tensile strength, and it's really more built for if you're drag racing pretty often on the drag strip. So over here is our choice of brake line colors. These are made by for U.S.A. There are 36 inches for the standard lines and 60 inches for the ABS lines. The ABS lines do only come in the silver and black finish, and one end will have the threaded end to go into your ABS module.